Hello friends, let's go ahead and make a poppy flower today. So today we have a center strip. It's about 6 inches long by about 3/4 of an inch. So we're gonna go ahead and take our center strip and use pinking shears to cut little curvies on the whole entire strip. It just totally helps to make little fun grooves and easy for you to space out your cuts and for your little frilly center. So I just go ahead and follow each valley and cut a little snip in it to make a fun little center. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and get some green embroidery floss, and we're gonna tie a little neat little knot and string those needles, because I hate stringing needles, they're so hard. And needle threaders always break on me. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take a nice pretty black felt ball. This is a 15mm felt ball, and I'm just gonna go ahead and embroidery floss some cute little green lines on it. Don't you just love poppies and how they have these beautiful green star-like centers? Like, how does it even happen? It's such an amazing thing in nature. So I'm just gonna go ahead and embroider these little star shapes on my felt balls and just come right through. Isn't that so much fun? And that's so much fun texture to our poppies. All right, so we have 6 of these petals. And I've already curled these. Check out my curling video. And I'm just taking my flat iron and just kind of smushing them a little bit more, just to give them a little bit more character. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my felt strip around my felt ball, and I'm gonna go about 2 times. I do have a little bit of extra, so I snipped that off. No big deal. So now we're gonna do 2 layers of 3 petals each. So we're just doing this in thirds, not a big deal, to put a little glue in the bottom and go ahead and roll these around. So the first layer has 3 petals, and the second layer you're gonna do the 3 next petals right between the top 3 petals. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely love this guy. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and make some leaves for the poppy and cut these bad boys out. Love my little sizzix there, and we're gonna glue these onto a wire. And we're just gonna do a simple pinch leaf here. Have another video to help you out on so many different types of ways to glue leaves together. All right, so let's go ahead and make our wire. We're gonna just curl this around a few times and make a nice little base for our flower to sit on. Throw a little leaf base on there. Glue this bad boy up and add our flower right on top. This definitely just helps hold the flower together and all the petals and just secures it so nicely. All right, let's make sure that's super secure. Isn't she a gorgeous beauty? And now let's add some leaves because, come on, let's complete this beauty with some beautiful leaves. Oh my goodness, isn't she gorgeous? I just absolutely love poppies, and this is just such a fun flower to make. Be sure to like and subscribe. Love you, friends. Catch you next time.